Tonight, you do not need to figure everything out. You do not need to carry every worry into tomorrow. And you do not need to have all the answers before you close your eyes. Whatever happened today, you are allowed to let this moment be different. Let your mind become quiet. Let your body relax. Let the weight you have been carrying become a little lighter. As you listen, allow these words to gently guide your thoughts toward peace, hope, abundance, and a better feeling within you. You do not have to force yourself to believe every word right away. Simply listen and let them become familiar to your mind and heart. From the next section, you will hear long-form affirmations created to help you release the energy of today and welcome a calmer, more positive inner state. Tonight, give yourself permission to rest, receive, and believe that tomorrow can feel different. I release everything that no longer needs to follow me into tomorrow. I release the conversations I keep replaying in my mind, the mistakes I wish I could change, the moments that disappointed me, and the things that did not happen the way I hoped. I do not need to carry them through another night. What happened today has happened, and I give myself permission to leave it there. I forgive myself for anything I could not do perfectly. I forgive myself for being tired, for feeling lost, for needing more time, and for simply being human. I allow the pressure to leave my mind. I allow the tension to leave my body. I am no longer fighting with this day. I am making peace with it. I choose to end today with love instead of regret, with peace instead of fear, and with trust instead of worry. My mind is becoming quieter now. My heart is becoming lighter. I am free to rest. I am free to let go. I am free to begin again when a new day comes. I am safe to rest now. I do not need to stay awake thinking about everything that could go wrong. I do not need to plan every step of tomorrow tonight. For this moment, I can simply breathe and allow myself to be still. My mind does not need to solve every problem before I sleep. Some answers can come later. Some things can unfold in their own time. I give myself permission to stop carrying what was never meant to be carried all night. I am allowed to rest without guilt. I am allowed to receive peace without earning it first. I am open to comfort, clarity, love, support, and new possibilities. My body knows how to relax. My mind is learning that it is safe to slow down. With every quiet moment, I become more peaceful and more open to good things. I trust that I can meet tomorrow with a clearer mind and a stronger heart. Tonight, I choose rest over worry. I choose peace over pressure. I allow myself to receive what I need in the right way and at the right time. I choose to feel lighter within myself. I do not have to wait for everything around me to become perfect before I allow myself to feel peace. I can choose a better thought, a softer response, and a more hopeful way of seeing my life. I release the habit of expecting the worst. I release the need to believe that every difficult moment will last forever. I am learning to notice what is still good in my life, even when some things are not where I want them to be. I choose thoughts that give me strength instead of taking it away. I choose patience when I feel uncertain. I choose hope when I cannot see what comes next. I choose trust when I feel afraid. My energy is changing because the way I speak to myself is changing. I am becoming more peaceful, more confident, and more open to possibility. I do not need to force this change. I simply allow it to grow within me, one thought at a time. Tonight, I choose an inner state that feels calm, clear, hopeful, and ready for something better. I am open to good things finding their way into my life. I no longer need to believe that life must always be difficult for me. I allow myself to notice the small signs of goodness that are already around me. I am open to new opportunities, kind people, helpful ideas, peaceful moments, and unexpected reasons to smile. I allow myself to believe that something better can happen, even when I cannot yet see how. I do not need to know every detail before I become hopeful. I can simply remain open. I am becoming someone who expects life to hold beautiful possibilities. I welcome opportunities that support my growth. I welcome experiences that bring me closer to the life I truly want. I welcome abundance in ways I may not even be expecting. I am worthy of receiving without fear, guilt, or hesitation. Good things do not have to feel impossible to me. I am learning to receive them with an open heart. I allow life to surprise me in gentle and meaningful ways. I am ready to recognize what is good, appreciate what is present, and welcome what is still on its way. I trust that my life does not need to make sense all at once. There are things I cannot understand today, and I am learning to be at peace with that. I release the need to control every detail, every outcome, and every step ahead. I can care about my future without being afraid of it. I can have dreams without constantly worrying about when they will happen. I trust that some things are changing quietly, even when I cannot see the change yet. What feels like a delay may simply be giving me time to grow. What feels like an ending may be creating space for something new. I do not need to chase everything that is meant for me. I can move forward with patience and allow the right opportunities to become clear. I trust myself to recognize what feels right for me. I trust myself to walk away from what no longer supports me. I trust that I can handle what comes next. Tonight, I let go of the need to know exactly how everything will happen. I choose to rest with the quiet belief that my life can unfold in beautiful and unexpected ways. I am becoming a stronger and more peaceful version of myself, one day at a time. I do not need to change everything overnight. I am allowed to grow slowly, to learn from my experiences, and to become more confident through every step I take. I am leaving behind the version of me that constantly doubted my worth. I no longer need to speak to myself with fear, blame, or harshness. I choose to treat myself with patience and respect. I am learning to trust my own decisions. I am learning to believe that I can create a life that feels meaningful to me. I am becoming more comfortable with receiving good things without questioning whether I deserve them. I am becoming more disciplined without being hard on myself. I am becoming calmer when life feels uncertain. I am becoming brave enough to choose what truly feels right for me. Every day, I understand myself a little better. Every day, I become more aware of the thoughts I allow into my mind. I am not stuck in who I used to be. I am growing, changing, and becoming someone I can be proud of. And tonight, I allow that new version of me to become a little more real. Abundance is becoming a natural feeling within me. I am letting go of the belief that there is never enough for me. There is enough room for my dreams, enough room for new opportunities, enough room for love, peace, joy, and growth. I no longer need to compare my journey with someone else's. Their timing is not my timing, and their path does not decide what is possible for me. I allow myself to believe that life can bring me more than I have experienced before. I am open to receiving abundance in many forms. It may come through an opportunity I did not expect, a helpful person, a new idea, a peaceful moment, or a door I once thought was closed. I am worthy of having good things in my life. I am worthy of feeling secure, supported, and hopeful about my future. I no longer push good things away because they feel unfamiliar. I allow myself to receive with gratitude and confidence. I trust that I can grow without losing myself. I can have more and still remain grounded. I can dream bigger without feeling guilty. I can welcome abundance without fear. My mind is becoming more open to possibility, and my heart is becoming more comfortable with receiving. I am ready for life to show me that there is more available to me than I once believed. When I wake up, I allow myself to meet the new day with a lighter heart. I do not have to carry yesterday into tomorrow. I can wake up with a fresh mind, a fresh perspective, and a quiet sense of possibility. I am ready to see things differently. I am ready to notice opportunities that I may have missed before. I am ready to respond with calm instead of reacting from fear. I wake up remembering that one difficult moment does not define my entire day. I can choose again. I can think again. I can begin again. I welcome a feeling of confidence that does not need to be loud. I welcome motivation that feels natural instead of forced. I welcome peace that stays with me, even when life becomes busy. I trust myself to handle whatever the new day brings. I am open to unexpected moments of joy, helpful connections, meaningful opportunities, and simple reasons to feel grateful. I do not expect everything to be perfect. I simply expect myself to be present, hopeful, and willing to receive the good that is available to me. I wake up ready for something new, knowing that even one positive thought can change the way I experience my entire day. As you move into tomorrow, carry this quiet belief with you. You are allowed to expect good things. You are allowed to grow. And you are allowed to begin again. You do not need to have everything figured out. Just keep choosing thoughts that bring you closer to peace, confidence, and possibility. If these words connected with you, share what you felt in the comments. Your words may be exactly what someone else needs to read tonight. And if you found this meaningful, please like, share, and subscribe for more healing and empowering affirmations. Until we meet again, rest peacefully and trust that a new day can bring a new energy.